This is how do we pronounce our company name and a few of the ways we've heard it pronounced by some customers. A lot of the time we'll actually hear it pronounced as like MAXL or MAXXL, MAXL 100. There's a lot of different ways we've heard it been called, but it is MAXL, and you can think about it as like Axle with an M in front of it, MAXL. It's super easy. So it is pretty straightforward. We don't really care if it is mispronounced. It's just funny to hear it all these different ways. As long as you love the product, that's all that matters. Now I'm gonna go over a few of our products and a little about what they can do for you. So here we have it. This is the whole MAXL lineup, including our complete system, and then a new product we have called MAXL RESMOOTH. First up, MAXRemove. So if your car is, let's say, super dirty, got a ton of grime, ton of contaminants, you're gonna wanna use MAXRemove first. MAXRemove contains acidulous acid, and this is the first thing you wanna use on your car. It's as powerful as an acid without the harsh side effects. What it'll do is it helps to get all of the tough contaminants, the bugs, the water spots, the iron deposit, the brake dust. You can use it all around your car and it will clean it. MAXRemove is also an amazing product that you can use inside of your own home. You can use it on your glass shower doors to remove water spots. You can use it to remove rust, soap stains, and things like that. It will help all around the house to get rid of a whole bunch of problems effortlessly. After you rinse off MAXRemove, you'll want to use MAXWash. This is our super thick, super foaming soap that helps to go a little bit further and actually deep clean this car. You can pair that with the HyperSoft Yellow Cell Sponge, which you see these groove patterns right here. It helps to pick up dirt, push them through so it doesn't scratch your car. It's like the softest foam in the world. As you can see, it's super thick. So when you push down on it really hard, even if it's on your paint, you're not gonna scratch your car. After you rinse that off, you've already done deep contamination. You've got it with the wash. Next, you'll want to coat your whole car, and we can do that with MAXEasy. MAXEasy is our dedicated coating used for after a full wash of MAXRemove and MAXWash. All you have to do is spray it on your car, you rinse it around, it gets into nooks, crannies, it'll get into your engine bay, it'll get into your wheel well, your calipers. It can survive up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's the exact same technology that's inside of MAXL ONE. It'll be extremely slick. It'll make your car look amazing, extremely glossy, deep, rich color, and it will protect it from the elements and make cleaning it easier later. And again, all you have to do is spray it on your car, rinse it around, and then dry your car. And that's for a full wash. So do these three. You'll do MAXRemove, MAXWash, and then coat it with MAXEasy. And then you'll dry it off with an air dryer, or you can use our MAXL Softsorb drying towel, which I'll get to in a second. However, MAXL ONE is one product for everything. It'll do your glass, it'll do your paint, it'll do your rubber, plastic, it'll do metal, carbon fiber, it'll do your engine bay. It will survive up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's perfect for everything. It cleans it, it coats it, it makes it slick, it makes it shiny. If it's matte, it'll actually just bring out the richness of it. It will not give it a shiny coating like it will on surfaces that are meant to. It's perfect for going on top of vinyl wraps, vinyl decals, anything like that. It'll make it super slick, and it will just keep it looking newer longer.
My Challenger TA with MAXL ONE. Hood came out real nice, which is painted matte black or satin. The decals came out nice. The trunk right here is wrapped. That came out nice as well. Nice shine. Pretty happy with it.
It refreshes the plastic, it refreshes the rubber, and it makes it look like it just rolled off the showroom floor. It's got the same technology as MAXEasy in it. It's got triphene, which means your car is gonna stay looking new a lot longer, and it'll be much easier to clean. MAXL ONE, as we said, it's one product for everything. And this isn't limited to just your car. You can use this all inside your house. You can use it on your countertops, you can use it on your cabinets, you can use this on your windows, you can use it on your glass showers, you can use it on pretty much anything you can think of. We've seen people use it on pianos, guitars, shovels even. Like, the possibilities are endless, so definitely try it inside your house if you haven't already. It will keep it looking newer, easier to clean, and that's always nice. It does work on the interior. It makes it look great. However, if you're looking for a little more dust repellency and something dedicated for your interior, that's where MAXL Interior Detailer comes in. It's got Never Dust technology in it. It helps your interior looking pristine 24/7. It keeps dust away from your infotainment screens, from your leather, from your dash. You won't have to worry about dust settling as much because this helps to repel it. And so now we're going on to our towels. We talked about the HyperSoft Sponge already. You know, it's amazing for just washing the outside of your car and pairing with MAXWash. This is the softest sponge in the world. It's super thick, so you don't scratch your paint. This is the most versatile microfiber towel you can have in your detailing arsenal. It is perfect for everything. This is our WorkSoft lint-free microfiber towel with AssureSoft technology. I mean, this thing is perfect for anything. You can pair it with MAXL ONE, you can pair it with MAXL Interior Detailer, you can also pair it with MAXEasy if you don't want to spray and rinse. You can use this on the exterior of your car, you can use it on the interior of your car, you can use it inside your house. It will be perfect for all of them, and it also will not leave lint behind, which is very annoying to go back and deal with. So, perfect microfiber towel for you. But after you've fully washed your car with MAXRemove, MAXWash, and then coated it with MAXEasy, it's ready to dry the car. Sometimes if you use a little too much MAXEasy, there'll be a couple spots where you need to buff, and that is where MAXL Softsorb drying towel comes into play because it is perfect for drying your car and also buffing in those areas where you oversprayed with MAXEasy. And this is our drying towel. This is the MAXL Softsorb drying towel. It's made with Softsorb technology, and as you can see, it is massive. It's super big, but also it's super soft, super absorbent, and you can see all these little hairs which pick up water effortlessly. You can use them on every single surface of your car. It is super delicate, and it will leave your car spotless, streak-free, all with one towel. Our brand new product is the MAXL RESMOOTH Bug and Prep Towel. As the name suggests, it helps to re-smooth your paint surface, get rid of hard stuck bugs and contaminants that are embedded in your surface. And here's what it looks like, right? The back of it is all white. The front of it has this white kind of border and then this tannish, yellowish mesh material, which will help you to remove those contaminants and bugs. The best way to tell if your car needs this is after a full wash, like let's say you did our full system, MAXRemove, MAXWash, MAXEasy, you still feel the paint is a little rough. That is because there are contaminants embedded in your paint. And this is where this will come in. You will use this side of it, this yellowish side, to help get those out and return your surface to a like new smoothness level. Once your paint's smooth, this also helps with trifene inside of MAXEasy and MAXL ONE to bond better, which means greater durability, greater hydrophobicity and performance, and greater shine and smoothness. This will make it so where you can protect your ride a lot longer and look a lot newer. This will replace your clay bar. You can use this instead, and you can also use it with MAXRemove, MAXWash, and MAXL ONE. It depends on what your goal is when using it for which one you would decide to do, and we could talk about that in a later video. Hope this was helpful. Again, this is our whole MAXL lineup. If you have any more questions about our products, hit me up below and I'll try to get to them. Thanks. Y'all have a good one.